Hello students, welcome to the GATE Academy. Welcome you everyone to the session of post-GATE guidance. Please let me know who all are there. Yeah, Rupam is there. Good evening. Shubham, good evening, Shubham. Aman, Lata, Nadeem, good evening everyone. I hope I didn't miss any name. Nadeem, I hope no. Let's see. Please let me know whether you are able to see my screen and all, and whether the voice is clear so that we can start the session. Right. Thank you. Thank you for commenting. So guys, this video we have named as post-GATE guidance for civil engineering department. Actually, what we are going to do today in this session, many of you might be having so much of doubts in your mind now, right? Like what to do next, whether we should go for MTech, whether we should go for Masters in Science, MS program, or if we are going to MTech, should we apply in IIT or should we go for PSU jobs? Or is it possible for me to get into IIT? With this score, sir, I have this much score only. Will I get in IIT? Sir, will I get in NIT? If I'm getting in NIT, will I get structures or geotech or other good courses? These concerns will be having, correct? Okay, I know I was also passing through this stage few years before. So we exactly know what is going through in your mind. So in this session, we are actually trying to clear all your doubts. I hope within this session, maybe around 1 hour we may take, or sometimes more than that. Depends on your doubts and all. Okay, till your concerns are over, we will continue the session. Okay, and also in case while applying for the post and all, for the branches and all, whenever you are getting doubts, every time we'll be here to help you. Okay, and to guide you. So again, I'm just waiting for a few seconds so that more students can join. Okay, so basically what we are focusing on for those students who have already qualified GATE examination. Okay, some of you who are watching this video, maybe you couldn't perform as like you expected. Those who are qualified GATE exam also, you might be expecting around 60 marks, 70 mark, or good score to get it into IIT. Some of you might have not got that much mark. No, it happens generally with everyone, or with most of the people. It used to happen. Like the score may not be as much you are expected. Now that can happen. No problem. Don't get tensed and all. I will tell you which all branches you can apply, in which all IITs you may get selected. What are the possibilities of getting into IITs or other good field? Okay, everything we'll discuss. Chandra and other one of my friend, I'm unable to read your name, civil engineering something. Okay, I will come to your doubt. I know this is the biggest concern. Sir, I have this much mark. I belongs to this category. Will I get it into this seat? Will I get into IIT? I know majority of you having maybe having this concern only. We'll come to that. Okay, one by one, we'll come to that. So that this video will be helpful for all the type of students who are good, who got a good score, and who got medium score, who got just average, less, just cut off mark only. Okay, it will be useful for everyone. Right, so shall we start? I hope good number of students have joined. Right, so yes, these questions I already explained. Which course I will get for my GATE score? This is my GATE score. Which course I will get? Will I get job using the GATE score? Will I get it into IIT? If I am getting in IIT, which course I will be getting? Should I go for job instead of doing MTech, or should I repeat again 1 year? So should I waste my 1 year again, or should I join in some these colleges? But my dream was to study in IIT, but my this score, currently I'm having only this much score. So should I spend 1 more year, or should I take this course in this particular institute? These things will be going on in your mind now. I know that exactly. Just wait for 1 hour. Within 1 hour, you will be having a clear idea. Okay, don't worry. Now, actually, you have 4 different options. Just thinking about, without thinking about MTech, if you want to go, if you don't want to study again, okay, 4 years already studied BTech civil engineering, BE civil engineering, studied a lot of things already, studied so many class tests, university exam, already fed up with all these assignments and everything. I don't want to do MTech at all. I just need a job. If that is in your mind, then you should be having a good gate score so that you can go into central government job. In fact, what we can tell, very good, attractive salary package will be having in PSUs. You may be already knowing about PSUs. For those who didn't know, I can tell these are the public sector undertakings under the government. These days we used to hear PSU privatization and all. Now, in fact, you will be getting some videos regarding that. What will be the effect of PSU privatization on job? Okay, we will be having a separate video on that. So those who are having good score can directly take PSU admission. Like it's job only. We'll be having the salary package and all will change from PSU to PSU. Some PSU will give you around 50,000 to 60,000 per month. Some PSUs will give you almost 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakhs per month. So that will vary from PSU to PSU and also post from post. Okay, definitely you should have very good score. Otherwise, who will give you 1 lakh per month? Just after BTech or BE, a company is giving you 1 lakh per month. Why should they give? Then you should have a very good something in this, something in your brain. So those who are having very good score, maybe around above 700 or 800, will directly get this job, which is nothing but PSU. Okay, I will just tell something regarding PSU. In fact, we'll make a separate video also in detail. Okay, or you can go for higher education. Generally, those students who are having score nearly 500, 600 and all will be definitely going for this higher education, which can be MTech or MS. There are options for direct to PhD. Like if you are interested to go for research oriented works, or if you are interested in what I can tell as a scientist in CRRI, CSIR, like that, DRDO, like that, if you wish to be in a research field, or if you want to be a faculty and all, okay, then you can directly take direct to PhD. There are options. We'll discuss these things. This is just a brief introduction. Then some institute are offering masters plus PhD. Guys, this is very, very important. This is something most of the students don't know. Okay, like you may be, what I can tell, if you are planning to do PhD after your MTech, okay, majority of the students will not be planning for PhD. Majority of the students will be planning only for MTech. So many of the IITs are having MTech seat and they are having MTech plus PhD program also. It is known as dual degree program. Okay, for example, I am having only 500 mark. Let it be. Another student, suppose you are having 600 mark. We both want seat in IIT. Okay, you may be applying for MTech. I may be applying for Masters plus PhD. Means Masters means MTech or MS. So I may be applying for MTech plus PhD program. The thing is, you have 600 mark, you may not be getting seat in MTech. But I have only 500 mark. But since I have applied for MTech plus PhD program, I may be getting the seat. So that is the difference. So if any of you is here clearly having a dream or a vision to do PhD after your MTech, then best thing is to apply for Masters plus PhD program. Masters plus PhD means MTech plus PhD, dual degree it is. You will get MTech certificate, you will also get PhD certificate. So that it will be a course for 5 years. MTech and MS, MTech is for 2 years, MS may be for 3 years. So that this Masters plus PhD will take 5 years to complete. Understood? Whether you are aware of this thing, Masters plus PhD, I will tell you which all institutes are offering Masters plus PhD, or how you can check which all IITs are offering Masters plus PhD. This is one of the very important thing. Even if you are having less score, generally to get it into IIT, you may require 600, above 600 and all, if you are in general category. Okay, if you are OBC and all, okay, then also 600 is required, obviously. 600, 700. Even if your score is around 500, 600 also, you may be getting into good IITs like IIT Madras and all is having PhD plus master's program. Okay, you may be getting that. Okay, that we have to check. Then if you are not interested to do this MTech and all, and if you want to go to research field like direct PhD program, if you want to do some, if you want to go to some what I can tell, DRDO is there, Then BARC is there, BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center. So such institutes are there where you can directly join as a research fellow using your GATE score. Okay, then also you will be getting good stipend after their training program. They will only offer you some jobs which will be having around 50,000, 60,000 salary per month. Okay, but you should be having a proper idea regarding that. You should be having a interest. That is more thing. In research field, if you are not interested, then don't go. Just by looking into the salary, if they are giving 60,000, 70,000, it's good, yeah, I will go. Don't do that. If you are only interested in research field, then only go to this research field. I will tell you, okay, after some time. Then we can also go for management courses. Like management course is not related to BTech or BE, right? MTech and management courses are totally different. But what I'm telling is using the GATE score, you can also go to management courses like IIM and all is there now. We can also go, or NITI Mumbai. You might have already heard regarding NITI Mumbai. I will tell that. So these are the basic introduction. Now we are going into each category and we will explain. Whenever we are explaining this higher education regarding MTech, then we will discuss regarding your score. I have already got so many queries regarding, sir, my score is this much, which college I will get, Mustafa. Amen, I'm reading your comments, okay? Don't think that I'm just ignoring your doubt. I'm reading it. Whenever the corresponding point I'm discussing, I will come to your queries, okay? Or that time again, you can comment in the chat box. Whenever we are discussing higher education, I will show you the previous cutoffs and I will tell you which all score may be getting the seats in which IIT, NIT and all. Okay, don't worry. Clear? Taizim, I will come to that. Don't worry. Okay. Right. First of all, I'm just telling you a brief introduction regarding PSUs, public sector undertakings. This is for those students who got really good mark. Now see, some of you may be having a GATE score for 2020 also, no? Everyone may not be fourth year students. Some of you might have already completed BE or BTech in the last year. And now you might have spent one more year for your coaching 2021. Now the thing is, many PSUs are now recently NEBC something, one PSU just to release the notification based on 2020 GATE score. Now the advantage is what? Majority of the students who qualified GATE 2020, they might have already joined somewhere, now either in NIT or PSUs. Now if you're having a valid 2020 GATE score, now you can apply in PSUs. Okay, some PSUs are calling based on 2019, 2020 GATE scores. Okay, what you need to do, these are the most famous PSUs which generally used to recruit through GATE examination. To each website, you should go and check whether they are releasing the notification or not. Now the thing is, suppose if you are having around 400, 450, 500, 600 score only, don't think that this slide is not for you. Okay, PSU is not only for a very high score. The thing is, what may happen in every PSU, everyone may not be applying by thinking that, see, I was having a very good score. Okay, but I directly took seat in MTech because my intention was to go for teaching field and all. Okay, frankly speaking. So I took directly, I got my first option itself. Whatever I was applying, I got my first option. So that's it. I was not at all looking into this PSU things. Okay, so many students may be doing like that. Don't think that all the people will be applying for PSU. Actually speaking, PSU work profile, or what I can tell, many of the PSUs will be located in remote areas. Mainly these oil companies are there now. Indian Oil Corporation, IOCL, HPCL. These companies, these are oil refining projects and all now. So they may be located in the sea or some remote areas. Majority of the students may not be liking such work profile, like going into remote area. You can make money. Okay, if your intention is to make money, then they will go. If their intention is to enjoy the life in some good metropolitan cities and all, then they will not go. Okay, so even if your score is less, you can apply. You just take a chance. You may lose some 200, 300, 500 rupees for applying, but if you are getting, you will be getting 1 lakh. Okay, for 1 lakh, you can waste your 500 rupees also. So just take a risk also. But some PSUs will be really require a very good score. You can, if your score is less, then it's up to you whether you want to apply or not. Okay, Now, as of now, we are only a few PSUs have released their notification. Now, whenever PSUs are releasing their notification, we will be updating those things in our channel. Okay, so many channels will be uploading such videos. It's up to you which channel you want to refer and all. But one thing I can guarantee that we will be uploading those videos whenever PSUs are releasing their notification. Okay, so if you're, as everyone used to say, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon. Okay, you will be getting the instant notification. That's it. Okay, now I can tell the selection procedures in PSU. Just a few seconds we may take to discuss these things. Uh, it depends on PSU to PSU. Some PSU will directly recruit only through the gate score. We are applying. So how many students are applying? They will take all the gate score. The top 10, if they are having only 10 vacancies, the top 10 they will select. That's it. But some PSUs will conduct their own exams. It can be online exam, it can be offline exam, and some PSUs will conduct interview. Not some, majority of the PSUs will be definitely conducting interviews because they really want to check you. The purpose of conducting interview is, this is what I told you, even if your gate score is less, don't think that you will not get into IITs, PSUs. Suppose your score is nearly 500 or 600. Don't think that you will not get seat, because in interviews, if you are performing well, if the interview panel is understanding that, okay, there is some spark in this student, okay, your score is maybe 600. See, everyone knows it is the matter of 3 hours in the gate examination. Okay, you may be a brighter student than me, but I might have got 700 score, you might have got only 500 score. It is the matter of that 3 hours. How that 3 hours for me, how that 3 hours for you. It depends so many factors. Now, our attention, lot of things. Maybe family issues, so many things will affect that 3 hours. Correct. If you are that much fortunate, you may be getting good score. If you are not that much fortunate, you may be getting less score. Happens in life. Everyone knows that. Even the interview panel also knows that. But they will understand that in that interview. Whenever they are conducting the interview, they will really understand whether this guy is having the proper knowledge in his brain or not. So even though your score is less than the second student, if you are good enough in the technical knowledge, if you have something in your brain, then they will easily understand that you may be getting selected instead of the other guy who is having more score than you. Okay, so these things will happen, definitely will happen. But obviously they are having more weightage, because whenever they are selecting in PSUs, around 80% weightage they will give for gate score only. But the remaining 20% they may give for interviews. Some PSUs may conduct GD also, group discussion, but don't worry about this group discussion. Generally, this group discussion may be having only 3% weightage and all. It doesn't matter if you are standing up and telling something, enough. Okay, don't think that no, I don't have that much knowledge in English. What I will do if I'm going for group GD? Nothing. Okay, this GD is not that much big important thing. Only some PSUs will give more weightage to this GD and all. Okay, again I'm telling that depends on PSU to PSU. Which all PSUs has released the notification, I will tell you. As of now, we don't have that much data. Regarding 2020, last year data, we don't have official. Okay, official data we don't have. Official data we have only for 2019. So this is just to give you an idea. See, NPCIL general score is 837. Obviously, NPCL is giving more than 1 lakh package per month. Obviously, they are going to put very high cutoff. But if you are belongs to PWD category, SCST category, you can take a chance. Sometimes, this is actually last rank details. Sometimes what they will do, for example, if NPCL is releasing their notification, they will simply put a cutoff like 600. So everyone who is above 600 can apply. Whether you will be getting selected or not, that happens in future, let it be. You may have to spend some 500 rupees. Just spend, no problem. Okay. If you are spending 500, finally, if you are getting the job, then you are going to get some 1,000 times that 500 rupees per month. Correct? Then PGCIL, this list I already shown you. What you have to do, just note down all these PSUs. Not only this, there are a lot of PSUs. Okay. Whenever PSUs are releasing the notification, we will be doing the video. Okay. Don't worry. Okay, now these are regarding Engineers Limited. These PSUs have recruited in 2020 and 19. That's why I have mentioned these things. Okay, many other PSUs are also there. They will also release. Now, recently, which PSU has released the notification? That is PGCIL, Power Grid. Okay, recently. Now, executive trainee is the post name. They have, I think they will be releasing. Yes, this is the previously they told March is the last date, but maybe due to this COVID scenario and all, now they told on March 25th they will release something, but today they haven't released anything. So maybe they will extend because of this COVID scenario. No one knows what to do and whether to call you to this office for the interview, whether to conduct online. Okay, so these things will happen. So what you need to do regularly, you have to visit the corresponding site. Okay, guys, one thing I'm telling you, by checking the previous data, this year we cannot predict anything. The reason is nothing but COVID. Okay, because of this thing, we cannot predict anything exactly. How will be their procedure? How will be their selection criteria? Everything will depends on that particular people. If Power Grid people are planning, no, this time we are not recruiting. That's it. If they are planning, this time we are recruiting double number of students. Well and good. So it completely depends on them. So what we need to do, properly visit their website. If you are having time, then obviously you can do that. You may be working somewhere, and in between you might have written the GATE exam and all. For such students, definitely whenever they are releasing the notification, we will also do video. Okay, you just check that Power Grid. Today you go to this site because they told that they will release the update on 25th. They have already given other dates also. First they told 12 March, then they have postponed to 19, then they have postponed to 25th again. Now don't know whether they will again postpone or not. The other thing is IOCL. Okay. Other thing is IOCL. IOCL also released the notification, but that notification means they have just released their notice. That's all. They have not started their application process in their site. I'm getting this notice now. Whatever I'm snipped there. This one I got from the site only. So what you can do, just whatever. See, this list is there now. Whatever this one I have told, shown. Just type in Google Airport Authority of India recruitment through Gate 21. That's it. Okay, this is how I got these things. Okay, this one, everything I also got like that only. Okay, IOCL recruitment through Gate 2021. Just click it. You will be getting some link. In that link only, I also got this information. Okay, if you don't have time, then we will do it and make a video. That's what I told. Okay, got it. Details will be uploaded, not uploaded, whatever, updated shortly. Okay, that's what they have mentioned in their site. Very good post it is. Okay, IOCL will give you good salary also. Okay, that's regarding PSU. In case if you want to know in detail regarding PSU, what you can do once this video is getting uploaded in the channel, you please comment in the comment box. If you are getting good number of requests, we'll be making a video on separate PSUs and all. Okay, now we are coming into higher education. I know most of you might be here to know regarding this higher education, to clear your concerns regarding which department you will be getting, which institute you will be getting. Sir, is there any possibility of getting into IIT and NIT? If I'm getting in NIT, will I get in structures? Correct? So we are going to discuss these things. Many students have joined. I'm unable to mention any. All the names. Sayandan, Rahul, Taizim, Giridhar, Prabul. I'm sorry if I'm missing any name. Mayuri, Lata, Sunil, Saksham, Prajwal, Decode with whatever it is, Lada. Good evening, everyone. I'm sorry if I missed any name. So, guys, we are now coming into higher education. Now, see, you may be only thinking about MTech only, but other than MTech, there is one more option, MS, Masters in Science. If you are really interested in a research field, I told you, if you are doing MTech, generally through campus placement, you will be getting into like industrial type of job. Okay, if you are doing Masters in Structures, you may be getting in construction companies, like design companies and all. If you are doing MTech in transportation engineering, you may be getting transportation planning, like this bridge design, road highway design, transportation planning type of departments. Okay, that kind of job you will be getting if you are doing MTech. Also, if you want to go for teaching jobs, MTech is best. Of course, if you want to go for teaching, then anything is fine. You just have to do the PG. Okay. And regarding this ME, some of you who are watching this video maybe might have done the MTech. Some of you might have done ME. Now, it depends on the institute. Some institute will give the PG in the name of MTech. Some institute they will give in the name of ME. Both are same only. Okay, ME or MTech both are same. It depends on the institute what name they are giving. That's all. Now, MS is something into this research field. If you wish to go abroad, maybe after doing your MS, if you wish to go abroad, okay, in many in Canada or in Europe, okay, in these countries, if you are interested to go, then it is better to do MS, because in other countries, now in foreign countries, they are actually giving more importance to MS. That's what we have observed, rather than MTech. Okay, so if you have such intention, better you can check MS. Also for MS, competition will be less. If you wish to study in IIT Madras, if you wish to study in IIT Delhi, if you wish to study in IIT Kanpur or some such reputed institute, the competition will be less for MS. The best thing is for MS, there will be two admissions happening. Like maybe in July, one admission will happen, and also in December, also another round of admission will happen. Like it's not once in a year, twice in a year admission will happen. Like in 1 year, this is first batch, the other one is second batch, like that. Okay, so the good thing is, in case if you are not getting seat for MTech in your dream college or in your dream area of interest, like structures or geotech, what you can do, if you are not getting anywhere, rather than compromising on your dream, you just wait till December and something, so that many IITs like IIT Madras and all, they will call for MS program. Like you can apply for structures and all. See, studying in such a reputed institute, that will help you definitely in future. So don't compromise. You should, what only thing you should have, you should know, to have a proper knowledge, when to apply, what to apply, what are the procedure to apply. These are the only things you should know. No one is going to spoon feed you. Okay, no one can tell you. That is the thing. If you, sir, I want structures in IIT Madras, what I should do, how I should apply, what are the procedure, how should I do this, how should I do that, no one is going to give you. In fact, no need to do, because you have already cracked the gate exam. Only 17% of students have qualified the gate exam. You know that? You are one among that, which means you have already done something. Okay, you are not silly students. You know what to do at the right time. You know what decision you have to make. You have that much qualified students. If you are interested in MS, I will tell you something. You can do that. Okay, what all things you have to do to get seats in MS. Then after MS, it is integrated masters plus PhD. I already told you before, MTech plus PhD. If you are interested to do PhD, then better apply for MTech plus PhD program other than applying for MTech, because majority of the students will apply for MTech only. So competition will be very, very less for MTech plus PhD program. That I will tell you, okay, how to apply and all. Then some institutes are providing direct PhD. This is also good. Okay, if you wish to do in that research oriented field, okay, if you are that kind of student, there are some direct PhD. What is the difference between MTech plus PhD and direct PhD? MTech plus PhD is having 5 years course, 2 years MTech plus 3 years PhD, continuous 5 years in the same institute. But direct PhD is, there is no MTech coursework. Directly you will be allotted under a particular faculty. Whatever he is telling you to prepare and all, that you will do. That's it. Clear? Okay. What is the difference between ME and MS? See, ME is another name of MTech actually. Okay, ME or MTech, it's like BE and BTech. Some of you studying BTech, some of you may be studying BE. It depends on the institute. Okay, some institute used to give their name as ME, some institute used to give their name as MTech, like that. MTech and ME both are same, which will leads you to the industry type of job, company's job. MS is actually research oriented. And what is the main difference? That's what I'm showing in this slide. MTech is 2 years, MS will be generally 3 years, minimum 2 years, but MS will generally go to 3 years. It depends on the particular topic that we are taking. Actually, MTech is having particular topics. Like in the first year, you are going to study these topics. This is subjects. second year, majority of the NITs and IITs will not be having any course. You will be only having lab work and all. But some institutes will be having classes in second year also. Okay. In most of the institutes, in the fourth semester, you will not be having any class. You will be completely dedicated into your project work. You have to individually do your project in MTech. Okay. In BTech and BE, there will be a group of 6 students. You might have already started your project, or some of you might have already completed. In MTech, you have to individually do. That may be the thing you are doing in the fourth semester. If you are doing MTech, there will not be any class. But MS is maybe in the first semester only you will be having class. Then from the second semester onwards, you will be having like lab work. That depends on what topic you are taking. This MS is somewhat more into the research field. You will be already getting allotted under a particular faculty, and that faculty will decide which course you want to, which subject you want to attend. So you will be sitting along with this MTech people, attending some classes. Suppose, for example, if you are taking transportation engineering, then you may be sitting in transportation classes, and you may be taking some classes. That's it, which is required for your particular thesis work, like that. In both MS and MTech, you will be getting the stipend from MHRD, 12,400 rupees per month. Okay, if you are GATE qualified. Okay, is it clear? Is PhD is good or MTech plus PhD? The thing is, if you are doing MTech plus PhD, then in most of the institutes you are having an option. After MTech, you can withdraw that. But in every institute, it is not there. Maybe in IITs and all, good IITs and all, it may not be there, because that is like cheating. No. If you are applying for MTech plus PhD, and if you are withdrawing the seat and going, that is like cheating. So majority of the good IITs may not be having that option. That depends on the institute. You have to clearly go to the institute website and check their criteria, terms and conditions, everything. Okay. And I prefer MTech plus PhD, because in case after PhD, if you wish to go to some companies, for example, some design company you want to work, if you are doing only direct PhD, they may not take you. But if you are doing MTech plus PhD, the thing is you have to invest 2 more years, but your area of, what I can tell, your path is going to be widened. But if you are doing direct PhD program, then you are actually narrowing yourself. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. Dib, what was your, I got electrical. Dib, regarding electrical engineering, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. This video is for civil engineering students. Electrical, there is another video. Okay. I think 9 o'clock you will be getting the next video. Okay. 9 o'clock, there will be the next video for electrical department. Okay. Dib, I guess your doubt will be cleared in that session. Okay, beta. Now, regarding the MTech, how you have to apply for MTech as well as for, MTech in IIT as well as in NIT. Just 1 second I will take you. Just 1 minute I will take to explain this thing to you. If you want to apply in IITs, the admission is through COAP, C-O-A-P. This is the site name, or is the portal name. And if you want to apply in NITs, that is through CCMT, Centralized Counseling for MTech Admission. We have already made a video. It is available in the channel, taken by Pallavi ma'am recently, okay, just 2-3 days before, regarding COAP admission. So if you have good score enough to get it into IITs, just watch that video. Okay, don't judge yourself thinking that no, I will not get IIT. I got only 300 mark. I got only 400 score. I will not get to IIT. Don't think like that. Just watch that video. I will also give some idea. For applying into IITs, what you need to do, you have to separately apply for each IITs. For example, I want in IIT Madras structure, I have to apply for that particular course separately by spending some 100 rupees or 200 rupees. That depends on the IIT to IIT. Recently, IIT Delhi has released the notification. IIT Delhi is asking 200 rupees for one application. Okay. Now, if you wish to apply for some other course, you have to separately apply. That depends on IIT to IIT. Once they are releasing their notification, we will be able to know that. Okay. Now, coming to CCMT, CCMT portal is for applying to NITs. That has not started yet. Once the admission process to NIT is starting, on the same date, we will make a video like this. Some live video we may make. Okay, CCMT. So don't worry regarding how to give the application, where to give application, in which order I have to give application. Don't worry regarding that. If I'm simply telling within 5 minutes, you may not be getting that proper idea. Now we should be having a dedicated video on this application process. How to give application, in which institute you have to give, what should be the order of preference. Regarding these things, we will definitely make another video separately, okay, exclusively. Now also I will tell something definitely. There you have to pay some amount which is common. Now if you are paying some 2000 rupees, infinite number of application you can give, okay, whatever institute, around 40-45 institutes will be participating in this admission process. In all those institutes, whatever course is available, you can give everything. Okay, Nitish, don't worry. The main thing we are going to explain only. For MS, I told you regarding MTech here. MTech, it is common application. Like once this CCMT process is starting, not yet started, I will tell you. Once this is starting, we are going to apply to all the NITs. And there are some IIIT, there are some other colleges also, DTU Delhi, Hyderabad University, like that. So many colleges are there. I will tell you. We are going to give the application to all these institutes in a single stretch by spending 2,500 rupees. See, this amount is actually changing year to year. 5-6 years before, it was 1,000 rupees. Then they have increased to 1,500. Now 2,000 rupees, then 2,500. Like that, it is changing. Don't know how much it will be for you. It will. Don't worry. Finally, it will be compensated. Okay, whatever the fees you have to pay, only the remaining amount and all you have to pay. Okay, that will be compensated. Don't worry. But for MS admission, it is not a common procedure. You have to separately apply. Means if you want to do MS program in IIT Madras, separately apply. If you want to do MS in IIT Madras in some courses, separately apply. If you want to MS in IIT Kanpur, separately apply. How we will be able to know how to apply? That you have to go to the corresponding institute, go to their website, check in their portal, like what courses offered, like that they will be mentioning. I will tell you. Okay, something I will show you. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now this is the main thing. Correct. In which college I should apply and for which discipline? Like, should I apply for structures? Will I get structures there? Will I get geotech? Okay, this will be the main thing. We are going to explain that. Okay, do we get 12,400 every month? Of course, that is the beauty of doing MTech after cracking GATE exam. See, many colleges will be having private seat also. You may have to spend some amount. Then you can take the seat. Some colleges, not every colleges, but those students will not be getting stipend. Stipend of 12,400 rupees is only for those students who are cracking the GATE exam, who got the qualifying mark. How much it was? 29 or something now for general. Those who have cracked the GATE exam, then joined for MTech or MS. Every month you are going to get 12,400 rupees. Better you have achieved something now. Cracking GATE exam is not easy. GATE is not everyone's cup of tea. Okay, around 1.5 lakh students are trying for GATE exam every year. You know, only 17% students have qualified GATE exam this year. If you are one among that 17%, just think about the remaining 83%. They are just behind you only. Okay, some of you may be depressed. You might be expecting some 600, 700 score, but now you are getting 400, 500. I'm a loser. No, you're not. If you're a loser, then what about others? Cracking GATE exam is not very easy, guys. Okay, so believe in yourself. Trust me, definitely you are going to clear so many things. Okay, just please wait for some time. I will tell you. Okay, so please guide me. Yes, I'm here to guide you only. Now see, guys, this is the order in which you should apply. Okay, I should not tell you should apply like this. It definitely it depends on person to person. Actually, my hometown is actually near to NIT Surathkal. So my first option was NIT Surathkal only. Okay, that's how I was applied. So everyone will be having their own choices. Some of you might be interested to study in some metropolitan cities. Some of you might be interested in studying in IIT Madras only, number one institute in India, like other than IISc Bangalore. IISc Bangalore is the first number one institute. Then old IITs, like I will show you that list. Okay, in this order you can apply. New IITs and top NITs will be having almost same ranking and all. This is what I was telling. The first category, like the most reputed institutes in India. First thing is ISC Bangalore. Very difficult to get seat in ISC Bangalore. If you are having good score, then obviously. Regarding ISC Bangalore, the main thing is you are not going to get seat in structures, geotech, transportation like that in the first year. First year, all are going to get seat in civil engineering like that. Everyone is in same class, civil engineering. On the basis of the performance in the first semester, then you are going to get allotted into structures, geotech, transportation like that. Okay, but to get seat into that civil engineering department, definitely you should have good score. Okay, what is the cutoff and all that we will be getting in the IC website and all. I will show you how to check that. Now see, as of now, only IIT Delhi has released the notification. Okay, whenever one institute is releasing the notification, we will show that in our channel and all now onwards. As of now, only IIT Delhi has released the notification. Last year in 2020, what they told, the cutoff score is 500. Now see the thing, if you are having 500 score, you can apply to IIT Delhi. Now if you are applying, it doesn't mean that you are going to get shortlisted. The thing is, based on the application, again they may filter. Later they may, either they can call you or they may not be calling you. If they are calling you, then there will be definitely interviews and all. Even if your score is less, as I already told you before, if you are performing well, you may be getting selected. Generally, if I am telling, if your score is less, around 500, 550, then applying in IIT Delhi is not that much recommended, because there is very less chance. But what you can do, other than applying for structures, geotech, transportation, construction management, rather than applying those streams, you can apply for water resources, remote sensing. Okay, these field will be having lesser competition and lesser cutoff also. I will show you some data, what all rank got this branches and all. Okay, that I will tell you. See guys, now I will show you one thing. I will show you the IIT. See, this is what IIT Delhi. One second. Let me show you that. Please let me know whether you are able to see this screen or not. IIT Delhi. Please let me know whether you are able to see the screen of IIT Delhi. Everyone, please comment in the chat box so that I will be able to know. Not able to see? Yes, thank you. Now see, this brochure, IIT Delhi, as I told you, IIT Delhi has released their notification. In that only, we are getting this information brochure. Similarly, for example, if tomorrow, if IIT Madras, if they are releasing the notification, then we'll be getting information brochure of 2021 for IIT Madras, like that. Okay, so if you are taking this information brochure, you will be able to know. See, in the first content itself, we can see PhD program, MTech, MS research. See, here you can see MS bracket, you can see research. Okay, don't get confused. This is MS only. MS bracket, they were used to write MS bracket R, means research. See, okay, M Des means M design, masters in design. That is generally not for civil engineering and all that much. Everything they have given here. In annexer, they have given last cutoff and all, last year cutoff. See the eligibility criteria, like whether you should have 60% mark in BTech, 70% mark in BTech, or 65% mark in BTech. Everything is given clearly written here. Year to year, it may change. So simply don't look at the last year data and all. Everything is written here. In that, if you are coming down in the annexer, okay, where it will be in the annexer, see, they have given the last year cutoff and all. Cutoff is doesn't mean like it is the last rank detail. This is the cutoff. See, last year in 2000, see, this is 2020. Last year, if you are going like this, you will see civil engineering somewhere where it is. Okay, see, separately they have given geotechnical. See, 500, 500, 400 means if you are having 400 score or 500 score, you are able to apply. Whether you will be selected for interview or not, that depends on the IITs. Okay, and whether interview will be there, that also depends on the IIT. Okay, last year actually, for 1 second, let me go to the previous slide itself. Okay, now IIT Madras is not having any interview. Okay, they were directly recruiting through your gate score only. Means you are going to apply directly. Whoever is applying, they will just shortlist the whoever is having high scores. Okay, depends on the IIT. That's what I told. You just go through this IIT Delhi thing, then the selection procedure they will mention. We cannot simply look at the previous data. The thing is, this time the big gust came this year, COVID-19. So because of him, everything will change. Now the thing is, see, might be, see, if they are calling you for interview, what they have to do? They have to maintain the social distancing and they have to conduct the interview. Now, big headache. So what they can do? If they want to recruit through only gate score, they can do that, or they can conduct some online interview. So recently, one of my friend got PhD in IIT Delhi. So generally, what they do, they may conduct exams and all. This year, they just conducted interview, that too through online. They were just having online interview, and he got selected. See, he has not seen IIT Madras campus till now. Everything happened through online. That's what I'm telling. Due to this COVID guy, na, everything may change this time, this procedure. So you cannot simply look at the previous data, previous procedures, and analyze or think what is going to happen this year. What you need to do, constantly go through this website. As I've just shown you, IIT Delhi. As of now, we have only IIT Delhi notification came till this date. Okay, whenever other IITs or NITs are releasing their notification, we can just go through that. Okay, NIT there is no interview. Only in IITs I'm telling. NIT there is no interview, directly through gate score only. Okay, that too in online. You don't have to go anywhere. Okay, we'll see that. Whenever CCMT process starts, we are going to explain that in detail. These are the second set of IITs and all. Something I have shown in the right side in the red color. These are IITs, but they are not having any civil branches. Okay, so just I was showing some IITs. These are the new IITs we are having. They are not having any civil branches. Okay, and see, IIT Hyderabad is having very good placement. They are good IIT only. It is IIT Hyderabad, IIT Bhubaneswar and all. Now the thing is, whenever companies are preferring for interviews, see this IIT Roper, IIT Patna, these are good colleges only. IIT Gandhinagar. But the thing is, after this top IITs, definitely IIT Hyderabad is a very good IIT. After IIT Hyderabad, I can tell IIT Trichy is best. Trichy means this Tiruchirappalli. It is in Tamil Nadu. While applying, you will be seeing Tiruchirappalli only, but generally everyone used to tell Trichy, like Tiruvananthapuram, used to call Trivandrum, like that. Some names will be having some short name, no? So like that, NIT Trichy we used to tell, but it is Tiruchirappalli. Okay, NIT Trichy is having amazing placement. Amazing means amazing. If you are getting seat in NIT Trichy, go for it. Okay, but the thing is, in NIT Trichy, only structural analysis there, then transportation engineering is there, environmental engineering. Only these three branches are there, no other branches. Okay, then NIT Trichy, NIT Warangal, NIT Surathkal. These three NITs are as good as this IITs. Okay, not these IITs. These IITs are top IITs, obviously old IITs. Then after those old IITs, you go for IIT Hyderabad, IIT Bhubaneswar, then go for NIT Trichy, Warangal, Surathkal and all. These three colleges are also having good placements. Then Rourkela, Calicut, Allahabad, these are also having good placements. Now see guys, don't simply go to this ranking. Every year MHRD ranking will come, some other ranking will come. Don't simply go behind this ranking. The ranking is absolutely based on the infrastructure, the number of PhD papers, thesis works are happening, maybe the library facilities. So many things are the criteria for ranking. So simply don't go behind the rankings. Okay, that depends on a lot of things. Just have these things in mind. Then other NITs, NIT Surat, Durgapur, those things will come. All NITs will not be having all the courses. For example, this NIT Jalandhar. NIT Jalandhar is having only one course, that is structural analysis. Structural analysis and construction management, something like that. Two courses interconnected. Okay, that you will understand while we are applying for CCMT. Then so many other institutes are also there. DTU Delhi, NIT Delhi is not having civil engineering department. So those who wish to do their masters in in Delhi, okay, some of you might be crazy about the capital city and all. So people used to prefer DTU Delhi, also good institute only. Okay, DTU Delhi, not NIT, but that is also good in university. And see BITS Pilani. BITS Pilani actually having, sorry, BITS Pilani is actually having like 50-50 seats, 50% of seats through gate examination, 50% will be management seats, and also they are also giving some scholarships and all. If you're interested, then go to BITS Pilani website and check it. Okay, I guess they have not released their notification. And regarding the cutoff, I will tell after this page. Okay, regarding each college, what are the cutoff coming and all that we are going to discuss after this page. We know what are the various disciplines under civil engineering department. No need to explain these things. We have already completed our BE or BTech. Okay, simply this is not in the order of preference, but we know structural analysis, structural engineering used to be more used to get more placement compared to other. These things we can discuss in detail in each discipline. What all things you have to study, which all department or what are the companies you may be getting selected and all. We can discuss that in detail. I will give you a clear picture when we are doing CCMT video. Okay, that will come whenever NITs are starting their admission process. Okay, don't worry. Now regarding the interdisciplinary courses, this is also very important thing. Many colleges used to give interdisciplinary courses. What is the meaning of interdisciplinary courses? Other than the core branches like structures, geotech, transportation, majority of the students will be giving application to those core branches only. This interdisciplinary courses is mainly for those students for having score less than 600. Okay, so those who are having in the range 300 to 500 or that range, okay, 300 to 500, just look into this clearly. The thing is, those who are having more than 600 score will definitely get good seat in good IITs, I mean good NITs or some other branches in IITs for sure. For those students who are having around above 300, 400 or in that range, you can get admission in these interdisciplinary courses, which means it is common for all the branches. In your class, civil engineering students will be there, mechanical students may be there, computer science students may be there, all are going to be in the same class. Okay, aerospace, energy science, and which all institutes will give which all interdisciplinary courses. How we will be able to know? That we will be able to know in their information brochure or in their website. I have already shown you the information brochure of IIT Delhi. In that you can check, or what we can do, go to the site of each IIT. In that there will be columns, courses. If you are going to courses, there will be having MTech, direct PhD. If they are offering direct PhD, you will see the direct PhD. Masters, I mean MS bracket, they will put research. MTech plus research, dual degree. It is called as dual degree, DD program, something like that they used to tell. Okay, so which all courses each IITs are having, each NITs are having, that will be available in their corresponding website. So this is your job that you have to do, because I cannot show you everything, you know, not possible also. Time is also an issue. Okay, so go to each institute, just check it. This is something you have to invest your time. Okay, some example I'm telling you. NIT Trichy is having a branch known as Energy Science and Engineering. The thing is, if I am having a score more than 600, I will be definitely applying for transportation, geotech. Trichy, geotech is not there. Transportation, environmental structures, I may be getting seat there. Okay, so competition for these branches are getting reduced. Placement may be there. That you have to check. Okay, energy science is having placement. Yes, energy science is having placement in NIT Trichy, but that also depends on year to year. So you should be having a proper knowledge regarding the syllabus, what all things you are going to study, what are the opportunities. That you should check yourself. Something I can tell, but everything it is not possible. Aerospace engineering, you may be having other CS or mechanical students also with you. For example, if you want to study in the prestigious campus of IIT Delhi or IIT Roorkee, if you are getting a tagline of IITN, that is not a silly thing. Okay, in future, your students will tell, my papa is an IITN, or your mother can tell, my son is an IITN. That's a big thing. Okay, getting a tagline of an IITN, that's a big thing. Okay, earthquake engineering, aerospace engineering, rock engineering, I don't think that is an interdisciplinary course. That is only for civil engineering. But the chances of getting the placements and all, I'm not that much aware of, because I don't have any contact with any student in IIT Delhi. If you're having any relative or any other, your senior If you are having anyone in IIT Delhi and all, then you can just ask them. Okay, what is the placement scenario for rock engineering, like that. Okay, so those things you just check. How you can search? That's what I told. MTech in computer science is there in Indian Statistical Institute in Kolkata. They are having so many institutes. In that, we can also apply. Civil engineering students can also apply in computer science department. This one I'm not recommending, but only if you are that much interested in computer science field also, then you can go for this. You just go to Indian Statistical Institute website. Whatever I'm showing here is simply, I was also simply Google typing in Google MTech in Indian Statistical Institute. There will be getting this. Okay, it is actually CS department, but we can also apply. Clear, guys? Now the main thing, IIT Madras, what was the cutoff in 2019? 2020 official data is not available. That's why I'm showing you 2019. Even though I am showing you, let me tell you something. Don't take this seriously. Don't think that, array 859, 748, too much. No, I'm not going to get it in IIT Madras. Don't think like that. If they are shortlisting you, like if they are telling that the cutoff score is 500 or cutoff score is 550, if you are having above that, apply. Okay, just 500 rupees matters. If you feel that 500 rupees is very important than your future, then I don't have anything to tell you, but apply for it. Structures and all, it's okay. You just leave it. If you're having 500 score, then very rare chance to get it in structures, geotech, transportation, high competition will be there. But water resource engineering, aerospace engineering, these things you can apply. Okay, whichever is having comparatively less. See, 577. If you are very good student having only 450 mark or 500 mark, but in interviews, if they are conducting interview, provided, okay, conditions apply. If they are conducting interview, if they are understanding that, okay, this guy is having something in his brain, unfortunately he couldn't perform well in the gate examination because that 3 hours were that much good for him. Okay, they knows that, the interview panel knows that better. Okay, they will be getting selected. Okay, definitely you may be getting selected. So these scenarios are also there. Okay, so don't think that no, this IIT Madras is not for me. Don't think like that. Apply. At least you can do one thing. IIT Bombay also I have shown here. This is for interview code, IIT Bombay. But IIT Delhi this time has given only 500. So that's what I told you. Depends on institute to institute. Okay, guys. These things we are getting. See, once IIT Bombay is releasing their notification, go to their information brochure. That will be visibly. I mean, they will be giving in that first page of the IIT website itself. Once they are releasing the IIT Bombay notification, just go to the information brochure. Scroll through that. They will be giving you the cutoff mark. Okay, this is what you should do. Now, whenever they are releasing notification, we will be also letting you know through our YouTube channel. Clear? Now, this is the second set of IIT I have shown you now. IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Roper, like that. So many IITs are there. New IITs, IIT Palakkad. Okay, so like that, so many IITs are there, which will be having less competition. Okay, this is something regarding 2019. Wait, some of my students' data I have collected that I will tell you. Now, see, guys, in 2020, okay, one of my student is having mark 44 only, 44 out of 100. He was having a score of 477. Is that enough to get it into IIT? What do you think? What do you think? 477 score. His intention or his dream was to do MTech in geotechnical engineering. Is it possible to get geotechnical engineering with a score of 477? He was in general category, but economically weaker section. Is it possible? What do you think? Is it 470 mark geotechnical in IIT? Now you might be thinking, yeah, definitely he might have got. That's why I'm telling. Yes, now you will tell us only. He got selected in IIT Palakkad in geotechnical branch. Also, he got offer in IIT Roper for water resource department. Also, he got offer in NIT Durgapur for structural analysis. I'm sorry. For structural analysis, he got C. Now see, generally structural analysis is having good competition, but he got in NIT Durgapur for structures. See, this is what you shouldn't think that no, I'm not going to get. Don't refer the previous cutoff and decide. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. This is what I know. You need cutoff. You are constantly asking me cutoff. I know. Last year also when we were doing the video, everyone was asking this only. Okay, sir, my score is this much. Where I will get seat? Last year this much score. Will I get this much? I mean, will I get for that particular seat this year? This is everyone's concern. That's why I was showing this cutoff. Apply everywhere. Okay, it's just a matter of some money. Just spend it. It's okay. It's for your future now. Okay, just take that risk. Okay, and also you see in general category in IIT Palakkad, not economically weaker section, general category. General category geotech placement will happen for 560 550 marks also. Okay, one student was having 570, he got in geotech. Another student was having 450, he also got in geotech. Also IIT Palakkad is having only one branch, that is geotech. That's why I was constantly telling geotech only. Okay, IIT Palakkad is having only geotech, so depends on the corresponding IIT. Okay, uh, yes, this thing you just note down. What was that? Yeah, some institute. Yes, this is regarding IIT Hyderabad. IIT Hyderabad, other than this 2-year MTech, they are having a special course that is 3-year MTech. Okay, some of the many of the students may not be aware of these things, so they will not be applying. Okay, that is something different than the normal MTech programs now. So for all these structures, geotech and all, you can apply. So that also depends on year to year. Last year they have called in 2020. This year whether they will conduct their program or not, that depends on them, completely up to them. So that's why I told you, whenever some IIT is releasing their notification, go to their website and check what all courses they are offering in the corresponding year. Okay, score is 400 category. Can I get admission in NIT? Yes, of course, we'll check. This is regarding NIT Trichy. NIT Trichy is having what the what I can tell, the status of NIT Trichy is equivalent to new IIT, like IIT Hyderabad, IIT Bhubaneswar, then NIT Trichy. I can tell like that. IIT Roper, IIT Patna, whatever IIT there, these will come below NIT Trichy only. Okay, don't think that IIT first, NIT first, not like that. I mean, NIT second, not like that. NIT Trichy is having very good placement. Okay, these are the last rank details. Only 3 branches are there in NIT Trichy. Then that energy science interdisciplinary course is also there. See, whatever I'm showing you is 2019. How to check 2020 cutoff? That also will show you. This is something regarding Surathkal. NIT Surathkal is the college who is offering the maximum number of courses for civil engineering students. Trichy is having only 3 courses. NIT Surathkal is having, see, almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 branches for civil engineering students. So that it is a high chance for you to get it into the prestigious campus of NIT Surathkal. One of the very beautiful campus actually. Okay, so many branches are there. So it is very easy to get it into, see, remote sensing. They're having good placement. Okay, remote sensing. Guys, the thing is, even if you're not getting the campus placement, if you're having the tagline of NIT Trichy or IIT or NIT Surathkal, if you're going to some off-campus placement, if they are, see, if you're going with an NIT Surathkal certificate, the interview panel knows, see, okay, he's from NIT Surathkal, which means they already know, okay, this guy is having something in his brain. That's why he got seat in NIT Surathkal. Okay, so even if you're not getting the campus placement after taking remote sensing or marine structures, definitely you will be getting off-campus placement. Don't worry. The institute tagline is also very important. Okay, just to compare, I was showing you in NIT in 2018. I don't know what happened. 2018, it was a tight competition was there. Okay, you can just, if you're comparing, you can see 2017 and 19 almost same. 2020 also almost same as 2019 only. I have asked with some of the students, but since it is not official data, I cannot show here. Okay, how to check the official data, that also I will tell you. See guys, this is round 3 only. After round 3, there will be an institute sliding round. Means, for example, you can see 697 here. Now, there will be one more round, institute sliding round. There, this again, maybe a guy who is having 670 also might have got in general category structure. After this, Sport round is also there. Okay, in sport round, sometimes a guy who is having 550 or 600 score in general category might have got admission. Okay, this is only in round 3. After this also, we have so many round. Okay, so don't take risk. This is MNIT. See, majority of the institute will be having some prefix before NIT. This is NIT only. M stands for Malavia something. I don't remember exactly. Or Motilal Nehru. Yeah, Motilal Nehru, I guess. NIT Allahabad. And so many. MNIT Nagpur is there. Yes, that is Malavia something. Jalandhar. NIT Jalandhar is known as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology. So like that, so many institutes are having prefix. So don't get confused. They are NITs only. Okay. So this is one medium range of NIT. You can check the score. If you are having above 500 and all, obviously you apply. And guys, this is for third round only. After this round, we have a sliding round. Then a sport round is also there. In sport round, it's up to your luck. Sometimes a guy with 400 score can get it into geotechnical. It depends. Okay, it depends on your luck also. Okay, see, this is actually a CCMT site. How can you check the last rank details? That's what I'm telling now. Wait, now I'm showing you. One second. See, you just what you can do. You just Google. Okay, CCMT. One second. I will share the screen. One second, guys. Yes, hope you can see this. You just search CCMT 2021. You have to search, but as of now, 2021 is not released. Okay, so as of now, I am simply searching CCMT 2020. Guys, are you able to see the screen? Please let me know. Yes. Okay. Now, if I am searching 2020, within a few weeks, 2021 will start. I will tell you. I am telling you how to search the last rank details. Okay, now if I'm searching 2020, here you can see previous years. Okay, or if you are taking this 2020 website, inside, if you are going here, see, here you can see previous maximum and minimum gate score of CCMT. Okay, this is CCMT 2020 website. So here, if I'm checking, I will be getting 2019 only. That's why I was showing you 2019 cutoff data. Okay, but 2022 round, some special round 1, special round 2. That's what I told you. After round 3 also, you are having so many round. These things we will explain in whenever we are explaining CCMT procedure. Okay, within few weeks we'll conduct another video. Then you will be getting some clear picture regarding cutoff and all. Okay, so if you are simply going into this previous year's cutoff, what you can do? Suppose you are interested in only structural engineering. Okay, or if you are interested in only some particular institute, let be, I am interested in only structural engineering. What I can do, select the year. See, as of now I will be getting maximum 2019. After few weeks, whenever 2021 CCMT procedure is starting, I will be getting 2020 data also. I am selecting 2019 data. Okay, hope you can see that. Then round, here we will be getting national sport round also, but national sport round, it depends on who all are applying. Simply whichever round you want to select, that you select. Okay, now institute name. Suppose you are interested only in NIT Trichy, then you can select NIT Trichy here. If you are interested only in NIT Nagpur, you can select Nagpur there. Okay, or if you are interested in structures but all colleges, you can select all here. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Chandra, you please check it here. I am telling this only. Okay, I am just clearing all your dates. This is for everyone. Okay, just check here. Okay, select. I am instituting all institute here. Okay, I have selected all institute. Now what I am telling, branches. If you are selecting all, what you will get? See, I am selecting all now. Then I am submitting. Now what I will get? I will get the list. Now you see. In Jalandhar, all the programs. See, this is common for everyone, not only for civil engineering. Whatever branches are available in Jalandhar, there is only one branch available for civil, that is C, structural and construction engineering. You can see the score here. See, using this 533 score in general category, this 589 is the upper limit only. This is the last cutoff rank in round 3. After round 3 also we have some round. Okay, even if your score is somewhat 400, you may get seat in structures, that too in a good NIT. Okay, that's what I'm telling. All the categories also given here. If you are belongs to economically weaker section, if you are belongs to OBC category, non-creamy layer, if it belongs to SC/ST, if you belongs to disabled, not disabled, differently abled. Okay, we shouldn't tell disabled, it is differently abled. Okay, so whatever is the category, you will be getting the details here. This is how you should check the last rank details. Okay, Chandragupta, are you getting the answer from my side? Okay, Vikas, are you getting the answer from my side? Everyone, whoever was asking, sir, my score is this much, where I will be getting the seat. Are you getting the answer now, everyone? Okay, so this is how we can check. After some days, you will be getting for 2020 also. For example, you're interested only in structures. Okay, what you can do, or if you see, you want to know whether I will be getting seat in structures. What you can do, just go like this, go like this, go like this. This will be in alphabetical order. One more thing, different institute will be having different names. For example, if I'm telling about transportation engineering, see if I'm coming PQRST. See, you can see different names here: transportation and infrastructure planning, traffic and transportation planning, transportation engineering and management, transportation engineering and planning, transportation engineering, transportation system engineering. All are same. Different institutes are giving in different name. NIT Surathkal is giving in the name of transportation engineering. NIT Calicut is giving in the name of traffic and transportation planning, I guess, or yes, if my memory is correct. So different institutes will be giving in different names. So each you have to click and select. For example, transportation engineering, I'm selecting. Okay, then I'm selecting, sorry, see all branches, transportation engineering I'm selecting, then I'm submitting. Now what I will be getting, whichever institute is having transportation engineering, I'm getting the cutoff here. Correct? Understood? What about college grade? What grade you are asking, Bhavik? But is it regarding the rank? I have already shown that rank. No problem. Once the CCMT procedure is starting, I will tell you in which order you have to give the application. Okay, which institute is having more placement option. Everything we'll discuss in detail in some other video. Don't worry. Okay. Giridhar, that you have to check which all institutes are offering. Okay, I will tell you that. Means I have shown you that IIT Delhi, this one now, information brochure. In that they are mentioning what are courses they are offering, whether they are offering integrated MTech plus PhD or not. That they will mention. Similar to that, if IIT Kanpur is releasing or some other institute is releasing, they will mention. Regarding NIT, what you can do, you just type in Google NIT Trichy, NIT Surathkal, MNIT Nagpur, NIT whatever, NIT Delhi. If you are searching, you will understand there is no course for civil engineering. That's it. That's how we will be able to know. Okay, simply search in Google, go to the website of each institute, then go to their like they will mention different names. They will mention courses. Go to courses, go to MTech, or simply go to courses. Then they will mention MTech plus PhD. Even if they are giving MTech plus PhD, they may not be giving all the courses. Okay, some institute may not be having civil engineering. Some institute will be having civil engineering, but they may be giving only for structural analysis. Okay, it depends on the institute. Sorry, depends on the institute. Also depends on the year. This year they may be giving structures. Next year they may be giving structure as well as transportation, or they may not be giving anything. That depends on the research activities going on in that campus. Okay, that you have to check. Which college can I expect with the 460 gate score? See, Dhruv, you can do like this now. 460 gate score. If you are selecting instead of transportation engineering, you just select all here where it is. See, put all here, institute all, course name is also all. Submit it. Now, whichever is your category. Suppose if you are in general category, see, now you have to go through only this first column. This is maximum. Just go through this minimum column. Okay, you told 460. You see, in Jalandhar, no, this is biotechnical. See, like this you can go wherever you are seeing less than 400, or see 474. This is bioinformatics. Like that you can check. Clear? Now it is very difficult for me to check all these things. Now, is it clear now? Okay. Yes, Prakash, you need 2020 data. This is 2019. How you will be getting 2020 data? After some weeks, this is CCMT 2020. That's why we got last year data 2019. After few weeks, they will release 2021. Then if you are searching, you will be seeing 2020 also here. Clear? Okay. Okay, Pravesh, I remember you. Okay, I remember your name. IIT Roorkee Hydraulics. Very good. Can you tell me what was your score and what is your category and all, so that other students will be getting beneficial? Okay, Pravesh, I remember you. Okay, I'm currently. Should I apply for MTech or repeat? Swapnil. Okay, I will come to that. Okay, can I explain the remaining things, guys? Can I explain the remaining things? 1 second. Uh, 1 second. So we were discussing these things. Now I will come to your queries. Okay, at the end. Is that enough? Okay, is that enough? Sai, and then regarding that, I'm not having that much knowledge. I will ask someone. Okay, not one. Okay, so this is what we were telling. Now I hope you got clear picture regarding the cutoff, whether you will get admission or not. Is it clear now, everyone? Okay. Now I am telling you some points regarding some management. As of now, what all things we have discussed? We have discussed regarding uh, PSUs. We have discussed regarding MTech also. Again, I am telling Pravesh, don't worry. You don't bother about campus placement. If you are an IITN, trust me. If you are not getting job, call me. Okay, you will definitely get job. You may have to wait. See, now onwards, the problem is due to COVID scenario. Maybe the income of all the companies have reduced now. Every institutes, I mean, every companies will be having like whatever income they were getting before 2019. Now, if company point of view, now they may be getting profit of crores and crores, but company point of view, maybe the income might have reduced considerably. You know? So because of that, maybe campus placement may not be happening this year or next year and all, but definitely some chances will be definitely there. Companies has to grow now. Without employees, how a company can grow? Whichever company if it is, suppose TGA, without faculties, how can the company grow? No, every demand is there, obviously. If you are an IITN, obviously, definitely the uh, preference is for you only. Or if you are an NITN, definitely preference is for you only. Some student is there who is having only BTech degree, not having any gate score, not done MTech. He is there. You are also going. You are having MTech degree. You are studied in NIT. Who will get job? You tell me. Definitely you only will get job. Hai. So definitely all the companies are having the requirement. Even if you are not getting the campus placement, you will be getting off campus placement. Trust me, you will be getting that. Provided you should study in good colleges, either in IITs or in good NITs. If you are going into private colleges, I cannot guarantee you may not be getting the job. That depends on your luck. That's all I can tell. I don't recommend to study in private colleges. If you are not getting good mark, I will recommend you to spend 1 more year and take coaching and make sure that you are getting a better score next year. Don't think that that is a wastage of 1 year. That is an investment. You are spending 1 year. Okay, you are spending 1 year for the remaining. How old are you? 25, 26, 27 maximum. Okay, you may be living till age of 80 on an average. Okay, long lifespan is there. How you want to live in the remaining 60 to 70 years, whatever. Okay, is whether that is important or the next year is important. Just think. Okay, maybe sometimes what may happen, your family may be having financial crisis. Okay, this is the main reason students used to go for some jobs without repeating and all. This is what I have also observed. I used to talk with students used to talk with me also a lot. You know, so family may be having financial crisis, financial issues. You may not be having that much money to take 1 year coaching again. That problems may be there. If you're having, then you can just self-study also. In fact, we in our channel, we are releasing so many uh, free videos that you can go through, or you have already qualified to get exam. Now you know what all things you have to study, what are the mistakes you made in which all area you are lacking, why you didn't get good score. Now you know that. Now you can work on it. That's it. As simple as that. Now you don't know something, then you can search for that. Lots of videos are available in YouTube. Make use of that. Now, when I was preparing for GATE, this Geo and all was not there. Now we were doing like 20 rupees, this thing, plan, data plan 20 rupees for 1 month. That was a scenario when I was preparing and all. Now nothing is like that. You can watch any number of videos. So many videos are available. Just make use of that. Okay, if you're having any financial issues. If not, then institute wise, the course fee is also changing. Some institutes are taking huge money. Okay, some institutes are giving good coaching with considerably less money. Okay, that's up to you which coaching you have to take. Ultimately, I can guarantee we are giving good coaching in civil engineering department, in other department also. That response also we are getting in from the students. But I cannot tell that because it's like a self promotion. I shouldn't tell that. You can just ask others. Depends on you. Okay, but I'm not recommending to join in private colleges because the placement is not that much guaranteed. Other than that, it's not wastage of 1 year. You spend 1 more year and take a good coaching. Okay, good coaching means good practice. It's not the coaching. It depends on how you are practicing, and try to get good score. Okay, and get go into IIT, go into top NITs. Whatever salary you are getting now, that will compensate this 1 year, obviously. Okay, trust me. That's what is my suggestion. It's up to you whether you want to take it or not. Now, regarding other than PSU, other than MTech, what all options are there? We have management courses. Okay, maybe now within 5-10 minutes we may wind up. Maybe maximum 5 minutes we may take. After that 5 minutes, whatever queries you are having, we can just discuss that. Okay. If you are interested in business oriented mind, like management courses are, if you are having interest, you can go to NITI Mumbai. But it is not like if you want to go, you can go. It's not like that. NITI Mumbai, they are giving 13 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs per annum salary. Means per month, you are getting 1.5 lakhs. It's like PSU. Okay, but it is management course. Everyone will not be going. If I am having 800 score, if I am having 900 score, I will not go to NITI Mumbai because I'm not interested in management course. But one of my friend may be interested. Okay, you may be interested, but I'm not interested. I'm not going. So it's like that. Person to person, it may vary. Okay, if you're having good score, more than 600 or 700, that depends on year to year. It may depend. They are giving some separate test and all and interview. Depends year to year. In fact, they are giving some weightage, some 3%, 5% weightage for 10th mark, plus 2 mark, BTech mark and all. But very less weightage, some 5% or something like that. And gate score also they are not giving. I'm sorry, I got some problem for my video. I'm just switching off my video. Sorry for that. Like they are not giving much weightage for this gate score also, but you should be having a minimum score to get selected in NITI Mumbai. For those students who are interested in this NITI Mumbai or those who want to know more about NITI Mumbai, what you can do, there is a separate video done in our channel. You can just visit our YouTube channel. There is a separate video. You can just watch that. Or if you want to, if you are unable to find that video, what you can do, you just comment in the comment box. After this video is getting uploaded in the channel, we will be providing you the link in the comment box. Okay, so just go through this. Then after this, we have once again, yes, in case if you are interested in foreign education, but for this, you should have very good score, more than 800 and all. You should have in Singapore, in Germany. These are the two countries which are accepting our GATE score. If you are really having good score, if anyone wants to know more about this, you please comment. We'll be giving you more information because this the students who are having 90 percentile mark will be very rare because they will be mostly checking PSUs and top IITs only. Those who are very interested in going into Singapore or Germany using this GATE score will be directly getting seat there in these 4 institutes. Those who are interested, you can just comment. We'll be giving you more information. Clear? Then this is what I was telling before in Baba Atomic Research Center, in DRDO, in CSIR. There are integrated MTech plus PhD programs, and JRF programs. Those who are interested in this, go to their website. As of now, they have not released their website. I mean, their notification. So as of now, I am unable to give you any information regarding this. In the coming days, now the gate results is out. Now in the coming days, they will be releasing their notification. Whenever they are giving the notification, we will also make video in our channel regarding the selection procedure, stipend and everything. Okay guys, regarding BARC, in the last year, 2020 official data is not available. 2019, they were putting a cutoff of 855. That's what I was telling. BARC is very good opportunity for those who are having very good score and who are interested in research field. Okay, they will provide some cutoff, but generally they used to uh, sometimes they used to provide, conduct their own exam. BARC exam will conduct. Sometimes they will recruit through GATE exam also. That depends on year to year. In 2021, what they are going to do, that we will be able to know once they are releasing their notification. Clear, guys? Then this thing also you can check. ISRO has released their notification. Those who are having a CGP of 6.84 in BTech or BE or percentage, if your college is giving in percentage, 65 percentage, can apply for this program. Sorry, sorry. Scientist or engineer recruitment. Okay, this is the post name. Actually, they are offering good salary package and all after this program and all. If you are in final year, definitely your result or your degree certificate you will be getting before July 31st. If you are not getting certificate also, no problem. You will be getting this provisional certificate and all. Na? If you are having that, definitely you will be getting that before July. You can also apply. Okay, last date is April 16th. This is tentative date only. It may change. Okay, this date they have released before due to this corona thing and all. It may change. Just go to ISRO website and check this thing. Okay, guys. So these are the things regarding ISRO. And see, this is very important thing. Many institutes or companies or boards are recruiting or conducting their own exams like RRB, SSC. This is mainly for those students who have got less score. Okay, maybe 300, 400, but you want some job urgently. Okay, because of your family background. Okay, but you are not having that much score to get it into NIT or IITs. For those students, just constantly check SSC website, RRB website, see wage, what are, and very important thing, state PSUs. State PSUs are very important for each state. They will be conducting separate exams. But generally, little bit difficult to get state PSUs. I know because competition also will be higher. But if you are having only less score or that 3 hours, okay, of gate exam was not that much good for you. Okay, unfortunately, and you got very less score only compared to what was your expectation. What you can do, there is a separate video coming tomorrow. Okay, on March 26th, tomorrow. Timing maybe afternoon only, around 2 o'clock. That notification you will be getting in the channel. You just check our YouTube channel. Okay, and see, there are two channels for TGA. English, which is this channel, and a Hindi channel also. We recently started. If you are good in Hindi or if you are comfortable in Hindi, you can watch the video in Hindi channel also. That may be coming at the night time, maybe 8 o'clock and all. Okay. If you are having only low score, like 300, 400, better you watch that. You will be getting more idea regarding in which direction you can move so that you can secure your family. If you are having financial issues, you don't want to invest one more year for coaching. Okay, you need a job urgently. What you can do, just go to this video. Definitely you will be getting benefited. Okay, now I'm not wasting on that because in detail another video is happening. Okay, so stay tuned. Just subscribe the channel so that you will be getting. I'm not sure about the timing. Maybe in the afternoon. So if you are clicking on that bell icon, also you will be getting that notification. Or you can just check the channel. You will be getting the timing there. Okay. So that's all about this session. I hope this session was beneficial for you. I wish you all the best. Now, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. I can clear. Okay, I'm sorry, not today. On 26th. I'm sorry. Sorry for that. On 26th, that video is coming 26th only. What about college? Okay, that I number of seats. No, number of seats. I think they may not be showing in the. No. This number of seats not showing in the CCMT website. That they will not show. Okay, maybe in the institute website they will show or not. Then I'm not sure. That you have to check. Number of seats also depends on institute to institute, and don't think that in BTech maybe your class in your class maybe 60 students may be studying. Some colleges may be having 40 seats, but for MTech it will not be like that. Maximum around 10 seat, 20 seat, 25 seat, like that. It may vary from institute to institute. Okay. Interdisciplinary courses in NITs, and then actually that we have to ask to our like whoever is studying the like the main thing is what is happening now. Why I'm not telling regarding the campus placement? That is also changing from year to year. For example, I have done my master's in transportation engineering in NIT Surathkal. In my year, actually some placements like Vertigan India Limited, core company, okay. Then Arcades, Atkins, like that. Some companies, core companies came. Lot of teaching. See, if you are doing MTech, lot of teaching opportunities are also there. Okay, lots of institutes will be taking you to take a classes for BTech. For example, if I'm telling you, see, I'm from South Indian area. So in South Indian colleges like NIT Surathkal, NIT Calicut, NIT Trichy, and all institutes like what I can tell. Sorry, I don't remember the institute name. There were so many colleges used to come, like Prestige University, something was there. They university used to come to recruit the MTech graduated students to take classes for BTech students. Like that, if you're from North Indian area, there whatever colleges are there, they may come to corresponding NITs. Similarly, if you're from Central India or Northeast or this area, Gujarat area, so it's like that. Okay, so many campus placements may happen, but the same thing may not happen in the next year. So what happens now? I was thinking, okay, good campus placement happened this year. The next year, that much campus placement was not there. But on the next year, means after 2 years, lots of placements happened. Like ACO, very good company, though they came. So like that, so many companies came. So this placement scenario is also changing year by year. That's why I told you, you try to take admission in good colleges. If you're having the tagline of that college, na, IITN, NITN, IITN tagline is fine for all, whichever IIT it is. It is a new IIT or old IIT. If you are a tagline of IITN, definitely that will help you for off-campus placement. But if it is NIT, you try to take good institute only. That is my recommendation. It's up to you. I cannot tell that no, don't go to that NIT, don't go to this NIT. However, it is NIT. NIT means it's not, and it's not for everyone. And everyone will not get into NITs. Okay. MS in NIT, MS in IIT is also very good, but it depends on your interest. If you are interested in research field, okay, these whatever companies I told you for their office works, they will not recruit you if you are taking MTech. I mean MS. MS is for research oriented works, and if you are interested to go abroad and all, this is the best. MS is also campus placement opportunities are there, but compared to MTech, that will be less. But the thing is, competition to get it into MS, the competition is less. If you are having comparatively lesser score, MS in IIT will be good. Okay. Home coded. I don't know Telugu. I'm sorry. See this guys. Oh, one more thing. Don't think that if you are coming to South India, uh, you may be like struggling regarding the uh, language and all. Nothing like that. Okay. In each NIT, everyone will be knowing most of all the languages like Hindi or English, whatever local languages, everything. Because like in NIT Surathkal, Trichy, these are prestigious universities now. So lot of the students will be from North India, Northeast, and all. So this even the shopkeepers knows, the local peoples knows Hindi, English, everything. Okay, because they are seeing these people for so long years now. So this language, don't think like that. If you're from Telangana, select Warangal. If you're from Kerala, select Calicut. If you're from Northeast, select NIT Agartala. Nothing like that. Okay, don't think like that. Any other doubt if you are having? Aman, I think you came late now. Regarding the cutoff and which all institute you will get selected, I have shown some slide. You can just watch that. Regarding NIT, that is regarding IIT, you have to go to the corresponding institute, and in the institute website they will be showing you the last rank detail. Okay, as of now we have only IIT Delhi. In the coming days other IITs also will release their notification. Okay, Dhruv, I got okay, Dhruv, I think I have shown that page to you now. Which IIT, that will depends on. See, I told na last year. May I know which category you are? I told na last year 477 score. You told your score is 460. Last year 477 score got seat in IIT Palakkad. That in geotechnical. So like that in every year it may change. Okay. So I cannot exactly tell. Bhavik, can you please ask me again? Guys, now don't think that I have ignored your doubt because I was more focused on the screen, whatever I was explaining. Now, if any of your doubt is pending, now you please copy paste that again. Don't think that I have ignored. Okay. Now you copy paste again. 343 mark. Wait for December to get it into IIT. 343 mark, it is actually difficult to get it into IIT, beta. 343 mark is not, I cannot give you guaranteed. 343 is not that much sufficient to get it into IIT. Or you should, if any of your seniors have got into IITs, you please ask them. If you're having any SCST reservations and all, then there is a slight chance. But if you are in OBC or general category, I don't feel like you may be getting it. If you can invest one more year, I'm suggesting that. College grade, what you are asking? Are you asking the preference? Some category I have shown now. Category 1, category 2, like that I have shown. Where was it? See, like this. This is the general order of giving the application. Or if you want to know in which order you should give the branches and all, that again we can discuss in CCMT. Once CCMT is starting their application procedure in NITs, again we can explain. Okay. BE, see, BE also, yes, of course. See, whether you have done BE or BTech, both are same. Some colleges will give the degree in the name of BTech. Some colleges will give you the degree in the name of BE. That's what I told. Some colleges will give in the name of MTech. Some colleges will give the degree certificate in the name of ME. Both are same. Okay, both BTech and BE same. Don't worry regarding that. Okay. CGP of BE are considered in the MTech admission? Of course. BE and BTech both are same only. Don't worry. They will simply ask you degree in BTech or BE. That's it. Don't worry. That you can check in the site also. Okay. Once they are releasing the notification, each institute may be having different criteria sometimes. Some IITs may be having 70% cutoff, BTech or BE cutoff. Some institutes may be having 50% only. Depends. Okay. Prashant, I have shown some pages now regarding the, see, if you're asking regarding NIT, you can just check this. Maybe if you have joined late, this video will be uploaded. That time you can just check that. Regarding IIT, some IITs I have shown 695. If you are having any, yes, of course, 695 is a good score, beta. Definitely, you will be getting. But you may sometimes you may not be, if you are not having any reservation. Sometimes you may not be getting in structures and all, but other branches you may get. But we can't tell that structures you will not get. You may get. Just apply. 695 is a good score. Okay. I'm in MTech last year. I got 504 score. Is it okay for PhD admission? For PhD admission, they are not asking gate score, right? For PhD admission, generally, actually, whenever each college is calling for PhD, whenever you are going for interview, it is the interview panel's decision whether to select you or not. Generally, we have to make some, see, for MS and all, we have to make some statement of purpose. why you want to apply. Okay, these things are there. If you are really interested in MS and all, please just comment in the comment box. Once this video is getting uploaded, I can give some reply there. Okay, because very rare percentage of students who are in online will be interested in MS. So if I'm explaining that again and again, that will be a boring portion for others. Okay, that's why if you're interested in MS, if you want to know more about MS, you please comment. Okay, I can give reply in the comment box. Don't worry. You have to search for each institute's website, which all MS courses they are offering. Suppose civil engineering department may be offering only MS in structures. Some other institute may be offering only in water resource. It depends. And what all projects are going on in water resource, that we have to check. If you are interested in that project, then you can apply. It's like that. Okay, it's something different from MTech procedure. MS procedures are different. And if you are MTech qualified student, maybe suppose if you are coming to interview, I am in the interview panel. For example, one student is coming, MTech disqualified. Another student is coming and MTech qualified, GATE disqualified. Another student is coming, GATE qualified. If I am the faculty, I will select only MTech qualified student only, because I know he is having something in his brain. MTech disqualified student, MTech qualified student. Obviously, if someone is comparing, they may give preference to qualified student only. Not only that, not MTech qualified, GATE qualified. Sorry. Not only that, if I am understanding, see, GATE, someone might have got GATE like simply putting A, B, C, D. Okay, put this option C. Let it be this option B. Like that also, GATE can be cracked sometimes, but very rare chance. But still, that is a possibility. But these things will understand definitely in the interview. Whenever they are asking question from the way you are replying, they will understand whether you know it or not. Okay. So your scores booster session. Okay, cracked transportation. Thank you, Kodat, for your comment. Happy to know that our sessions are helping you. Thank you for that. CGP of BE are considered in MTech admission. Bhavik, actually, some institutes are asking 60%. Okay, that you will understand once the CCMT procedure is happening. They will release one information brochure. Okay, once the CCMT is happening, they will release one information brochure. In that information brochure, they will be giving you what are the criteria for each institute. For example, NIT Trichy, what is the criteria? NIT Suratkel, what is the criteria? Like that, they will give. BE or BTech, both are same only. Some institutes will be asking 60% BTech or BE condition. Some institutes may be asking for 65% minimum percentage BE or BTech. Some institutes may be asking you only 50% BE or BTech, like that. Okay, don't worry. I'm getting 1500 rank. Very good. 1500 is a very good rank only. Dropping a year is a good option. It depends on your dream. That's what I can tell. 1500 is a good score. You will be getting seats in IIT. But see, what I can tell, even the students who are getting rank below 1000 are repeating for 1 year. But what happens now in the next year? Their video will be coming in the channel. You can understand what is going to happen. Either they will be getting selected into PSUs, or they are going to get it into good IITs with in good branches like structures and all. Definitely they are going to get campus placement with a very good that package and all, 1 lakh per month. It's up to you. Okay, whatever is your dream, it's like that. Okay. No. For second time MTech, why you want to do again MTech? I don't think that's a good option. But yes, of course, you will be getting stipend again. But again, you have to apply. But what is the point of doing MTech again? I don't know. Up to you. Again, you will be getting, yes, of course. Once again, you have to apply and all. Same thing. Using your new GATE score. Okay. So, guys, I hope how much maximum can a structural engineering engineer can earn? That depends on your performance. And also, see, civil engineers, generally I used to tell in my classes, civil engineers are like wine. Okay, as the time progress, your value is going to increase. If you're a fresher, you may be getting, maybe if you're an MTech graduate as a fresher, you may be getting 30,000, you may be getting 40,000, you may be getting 60,000, you may be getting 70,000, depends on the place where you are getting placed. Maybe after few years, you can also earn more than 1 lakh also. Okay, it completely depends on you. That's it, your performance. Performance oriented it is. Engineering field, na, it is not government job. If it is a government job, depends on your rank. I mean, depends on your post, you are getting the salary. If it is a other engineering field and all, depends on your performance also. Guys, I'm tired. Okay. Shall we wind up? Actually, there is another video going to come at 9 o'clock. That is for electrical department. So you are forced to wind up also. Whatever, Saurabh, actually, I have already explained that. Okay. Saurabh, I have explained that. Maybe you are late. I have shown the cutoff and all. You can just watch that. This video will be uploaded in our channel. Okay. You can check that. Okay, Saurabh, don't worry. Okay. So guys, shall we wind up? Step to dreams. I think I have. Okay. So guys, shall we wind up then? I hope this video was beneficial for you. See, salary will come. Okay. 1 lakh salary. 1 lakh is too. I mean, why you want to dream about only 1 lakh? Okay. Home coded, I will reply in. Guys, I'm just, I have a request. Whatever doubt you're having, can you please comment in the comment box? Like now you're commenting in the chat box now, live chat box. The same doubt, can you comment? Once we are ending this session, this video will be uploaded in our channel. Okay. So can you ask the same doubt in the comment box so that I will comment there? Okay. Is that okay? I will not ignore any of your comment. I will be constantly checking the comment box and I will be commenting on daily basis. Is that fine? Home Goddard, whoever was asking, okay? Is that fine? Okay. Yes. So that I can, if sometimes I can give you some link of some website. Okay. So those things can happen in the comment box, not in the live chat, in the comment box once this video is uploaded. Is it clear? Okay. So you can just share the link to your students also. I mean, to your friends also, so that they can also ask their doubt and all. I will clarify. Don't worry. Okay. So shall we wind up? Okay. Please show your response in the form of likes and comments and whatever. Okay. That's it. So subscribe the channel as we usually tell. Subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon, so that whenever these PSU notifications and IIT notifications are coming now, we can release that. I mean, we can make the video. You will be getting that on time. And also, if you want to know anything in detail, like regarding NITI Mumbai video we have already done, it is available in the channel. If you are interested, you just comment in the comment box. I will provide you the link. And if you are interested regarding some PSUs, or if you are interested regarding direct PhD, or if you are interested regarding MTech plus PhD, if you are interested regarding BARC exam, comment in the comment box. If you are definitely, I'm going to reply there. If you are getting more comments on a particular query, okay, suppose direct PhD, like that, for a particular comment, I mean, for a particular thing, if you are getting repeated comments, then we will try to make a separate video for that. Okay, that will be better. Okay, so thank you so much. We are going to wind up. All the best. I hope you are all are going to get it in the branches which you like. Guys, don't compromise on your dreams. Okay, if you have not got your favorite branches, favorite institute, I would definitely, I will recommend you to spend 1 more year, not to waste 1 more year, to spend 1 more year. There is a lot of difference between wasting 1 more year and spending 1 more year. Just invest 1 year time for a better future. Okay. Yes. Okay. Very important thing. Very important thing. There is a Google form in the description. Okay. There is a Google form in the description. You can see that. You just go to the description, you can see that. Whatever doubt you are having, I told you to comment in the comment box. Now, the same thing you please fill in the Google form also, because Google form will be the first thing which we will be checking. Okay, before comment box, we will be checking the Google form only. So whatever comments you are just, you are asking me a lot of doubts now. Same doubt also you can ask in the Google form, in case if I couldn't reply this on time in the live. And what all things you are going to comment in the chat box, I mean in the comment box, that also you just add in the Google form. The Google form you are going to get it in the description. Please check that. Okay, and also share with your friends also. Please help your friends. That's it. Okay. Shashank, definitely we'll discuss. I think I have already discussed that. You can just check the video again, and also you can just ask in the Google form. There is a Google form given in the description. Just ask the same. Just copy paste this down. Okay. We are going to reply there. Don't worry. Okay. So shall we wind up, everyone? That's it. Okay, Agildeep, please copy paste your doubt in that Google form. It is available in the description. So bye guys. Wish you all the best. Have a great future. Bye. Good night.